Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boss Hannah's coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there with another?
Why you do it, John Croft?
Oh! Bang! Happy Friday, man. But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So we are going to get into the first video now. So, if you live under a rock and you don't know what going on, a teacher by the name of Miss Dakins went missing for a little bit right now. You know what I mean? And them go up on a 8-day hunt. And finally, them find her yesterday. You know? So this clip that I'm about to show is provided by CVM. Big up to CVM. I will just listen it and I'm gonna share, hoping it will share more in-depth information and also just react to it and just hear what them say and make we talk. Yeah?
8-day search for missing Clarendon teacher Natalie Dakins has reached a tragic end. This as a search in Sandy Bay, Clarendon, which began on Wednesday, led to the discovery of skeletal remains in a section of the community. The police say the body was found in an advanced state of decomposition, noting that the body parts were at different areas on the scene.
Unfortunately, this morning, during an operation in the Sandy Bay area of Clarendon, and based on information received by the police, a decomposed body of a female, which we believe is that of Miss Natalie Dakins, was discovered.
20-year-old Jeffrey Bedwards, the man who was killed in Bellarsgate, St. Catherine, during a confrontation with the police while he made efforts to sell the teacher's vehicle, is linked to the Sandy Bay community. 2 televisions believed to be that of Miss Dakins were also found in Bedwards' house. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says their information suggests that Bedwards was present on the night Miss Dakins disappeared.
And we are also confident that he was in the area where the skeleton remains of what were discovered. We have secured significant amount of evidence, both scientific and other types of evidence, in support of our investigation. And some of the things I cannot disclose, as you will understand, the nature of the investigation.
The police say 3 people are in custody.
We are confident will assist us with the investigation, but I cannot get into those at this time. And I must say, technology again has assisted us. The science has assisted us significantly in this investigation.
Miss Dakins disappeared on March 30 and was reported missing on April 1. Police are reporting that the night Dakins vanished, she was alerted by neighbors that her car alarm was going off. Days later, her handbag was found along the highway. Then a cell phone and an envelope were also days later. Christine Forbes for CVM Live.
Jano Star. Hear my thoughts on the whole matter. Condolences to Miss Natalie Dakins family. I know them feel this. You see how long the woman missing for? From March 30th. Yo. I was going in Jamaica. I be a woman I get kidnapped and missing and I dead and all them things there. I was going. And based on even more information I gather out there, it's a brother set up the thing family member. Well, me no want to say brother. It is alleged. You know what I mean? It's alleged. There's a family member set it up. Yo, the amount of woman me hear I get missing and are dead from the year you start. If on a relationship, some go on, brother. My question is when them kill off all of the woman them, who are gonna love, man? Cause it's not funny. Cause be your woman are dead. Be your woman are dead. Be your woman are missing. Be a little girl are missing. Be a man big father a rape all in 12-year-old pitney. Be a things as a reach woman. Violence against woman it turn up. Human trafficking a war go on 2021 a war. Me think seeing that the big C you know there man in a there them yard and a more hold it out and a try to stay safe. It's like man there road no fear no wanna just be a madness. The other day me show no probably I'll hear about the story where the man climbed through him window and go cut all him girl throat. Cause she left him and break up with him or something or something. Was 3 weeks ago or something like that. Brother, in a watch them and take a woman like wow. Family member of mine, I'm not afraid to tell you no, as you know in the other video. My niece, man them, same thing reach her too. What go on, brother? I have to pray for the nation. Why? May God have mercy upon us. Let me know your thoughts. What you think on the whole matter? This rough. As somebody mother that, you know. As somebody auntie that or sister that, you know. And then boy out here so you just a be a kill and kill off the woman them and the little girl and brother I want to you know. From if the relationship now work, we not kill the woman them. If she a give you no bun, and so brother, either you walk away or work and fix the relationship, or if she say just can't work, brother, nothing wrong if you ball. But you don't have right to kill no woman. Nobody don't have no right to kill one another. Or take one's life. Brother, man, they need to stop them thing and take away and set up and boy rough, boy family member too. Say it's like we can't trust nobody again. Well, we can't have trust nobody again because as them say a family member do it. More than likely based for allegedly they must say at the brother. Pay a man for do it. Based on evidence. So family member, your partner, you have to pray everybody nowadays. That's how we are gonna live. Alright peeps, make we get right into the next video. No!
People, you know what acting a belly band? Acting, a belly band that you have acting? Oh! Acting say a back brace. A belly band you have acting? Acting. I'm posting this on Instagram. May the people see you have a belly band here. Make them see you have a belly band. Zin? You work out a belly band. So make them say things that way not show up on social media.
Hold on. Hold on. No one waste train of that. No one no that look like a waste train I know I acting. What you do? Waist trainer no make for woman, brother. Belly band. What you do with belly band or waist trainer? What you do? I acting. What you do with that? I acting. You're no rasta. Watch yourself in a youth. Watch yourself what you do in a youth.
The man I know is numb to his sense. You see that? In a rubbish truck, man. Then. Man, different.
Èmi so yín bọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ àti ìyàwó lónìí ní orúkọ sí bàbá sí ọmọ àti ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́. You may kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride.
Any people know how kiss me?
Yeah, kiss your bride.
Oh!
Wah! Hope you enjoy them video there and ting. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter down below. Make we chat there, sir. Yeah. Happy Friday and the big up on yourself. Why my feedback on why the Dakins thing there? Why teacher? Sorry. And you know the hottest thing too. Them fling the woman body all over the place and all them stuff there. Yo, this situation rough, but this even bigger. Yo, Jamaican people, the man them and the people them need to stop kill off the woman them, brethren. Top killer for woman them. From bad relationship, father to daughter, sister and whatever. Yo, brother, be that have gone since 2021. The amount of report every minute. One young girl missing, one woman missing, old woman missing, and all them things. Brother, awa, so brother? Channel. But anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. Me there, I go live on my gaming channel a little bit from now, as soon as I upload a video. So, thank you very much for watching. As always, once again, and just go on journey with your boy.
You've been on my mind, yeah. I want you, I can't lose.